Hey people, thank you for tuning in. Welcome up here today. So today we are doing hair tips and tricks, hair abike. So today I'll be showing you guys how I achieved this pack on my hair with the curls without no using gel. It sounds cool, yeah? Even me myself, I was surprised I could achieve this look without no applying gel. I'm having a short hair, but guys, trust me, it came out well. So I don't want to talk too much about this video up here. Let's just go straight and see the magic Abike did to achieve this short hair on my head. See you in the video. Right here, guys, are the things I'll be using to fix up the hair. In this video, I would blow dry my hair first. As you can see, I have to blow dry because it's a little bit wet. I just washed it. So right here, I would apply shea butter in my hair. The reason why I didn't apply the shea butter firstly was because my hair was too wet. So after blow drying it, I applied the shea butter, so my hair was a little bit warm, so it's shining. Right here, guys, I'll be using my twist brush to brush up my hair because my hair is still not relaxed, so the brush will help bring out the thick part of the hair. And right now, guys, I have to flat tongue my hair, so I will have to split the hair step by step, one after the other. I will split it, I will tongue it, and that's what you see me doing in the video right here. So it's not so easy for me to part the hair one after the other, but I actually tried my best parting it. I brush it and I tongue it. I flat tongue it immediately. So I do this continuously until I get a better result. So I keep doing this continuously until the result comes out good. As I said earlier, my hair is very dew at the bottom, so I had to flat tongue it very well so the thick part of the hair can be well flattening and I can be able to pack it to any style that I want. So I keep doing this all around, over and over again. Don't forget, guys, I only applied shea butter to flat tongue my hair, and I keep using my twist brush to brush it out very well due to the hair is so dew. So right here, guys, I keep flat tonguing over and over again. So right now, guys, on the back side of my hair, I'm done with the left hand side. The reason why I'm doing it one after the other like this is because I actually want you guys to see what I really did. If not, I would have just done shortcut to the answer. But this is actually a tutorial, so I want everything to be open for you guys to see. So the back side of my hair also, I would flat tongue it just the way I did the left hand side, as you see. So I keep doing this until I get a better result. Ignore my voice, guys. I have cold, and when I have cold and I'm doing voiceover at the same time, it's always somehow. So I have to raise my voice so you guys can hear me clearly. So the next thing I'll do after flat tonguing the back of my hair is I'll come up to the side, to the right hand side, to flat tongue also, just as I did on every part of the hair. On the front part of my hair, I'm so careful, so I have to just walk towards all part of the hair. So right here in the video, because of the style I'm creating, I have to part the hair so neat in front on the both sides, both right and left side of my hair. I have to part it neatly to create the style I want to give. Right here in the video, I would keep brushing and flat tonguing the hair since I'm not using the side of my hair. So in the video right now, I've parted my front hair into two, and I would plait the front one I'm using to do the coil style. So the rest of the hair at the front, I would have to flat tongue it to the back. So right now I have to brush the hair, the rest of the front hair, I have to brush it and flat tongue it in the video. After flat tonguing the rest of my front hair to the back, I would have to comb my hair together and see the flat tonguing I've done so far. And as you can see right now in the video, it's different from the beginning. My hair are slipping together right now, and it's even easier for me to comb together. After using my normal big comb, I'll be using my brush to put them together. So right now in the video, guys, I'll be using my black hairband to bond it together. After packing them together, I would apply a little bit edge control on my hair so the flicks can go down. As you can see, that's what I'm showing you right now in the video. Some of my hair are so short, so everything is not of the same length, so it's not easy for me to leave it like that. I'll be using just for me edge control cream to rub the hair. It gives it shine. So right now in the video, I would apply the edge control. Sorry guys, I was just looking around. So right here, the same edge control, I'll be using it with the brush to brush the flick down a little bit to make it sleepy. And I would have to lose the plaited hair for it to tongue. So right now in the video, I would brush the hair and split it into two. So I have to check if it's actually parted the way I want it, and the length of my hair in front is giving me what I actually want to create the style. So right now, guys, this is where the attention is. I am creating the magic. The magic is what you're seeing next. Watch it carefully. This product I'm using is Detangling Wave Spray. It's for coily hair. I would apply it to my hair. I'll apply more quantity because I want the hair to be really tongued. So after applying it, I would put my brush to flat tongue. Instead of flat tonguing it, guys, I would only roll it over my comb, my tail comb, and I'll put my flat tongue to make it dry. Watch that now. So right now the flat tongue is on the hair, and I have to open the flat tongue here and there so I can achieve the type of curl I want. Reason for like 5 minutes the flat tongue is on my hair because I actually want to achieve the spiral curls, and I need the hair to get so dry because of what I have put in it. But trust me guys, the result I got was 100% for me. I really like this thing, and I think I'll do it over and over again. Look at it guys, just look at it. This is a perfect curl that I created by myself. So I would actually be doing the second one too, and right here in the video it's done and dusted. I really like what I've done so far, and right now just my hair that I've packed up there, I'm not using a bond and I'm not rolling it over. I just have to flat tongue it and give it a curved shape that I want in this video. So far so good. I think I'm good to go. Look at the back of my hair. Look at the side then. Right now, because I want my hair to be sleeky and sleepy, I would tie a scarf. So this scarf, I'm tying it over my sleep hair, not over the coil one. And right now, guys, I would lose up the scarf. It's just for some few minutes, and right here, I'm looking so beautiful. Oh my god, look at my guys. Look at my guys. I really like it. See you in my next video, guys. Bye.